Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change satellite view on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. First of all, open up Google Maps and this is the by default view of Google Map. Just simply you have to hit on this point. As you can see on this point, which is showing over the screen, and the pop-up will appear on the screen. You have to set it on satellite. And that's it guys. How to change satellite view in Google Maps. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.